Today I'm going to show you how to write the words boo in a kind of a witchy, scratchy kind of way. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. You are going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. Now we're going to use the pencil to draw a couple of lines like this, just to kind of work out roughly the size and the height and where it is we want to write boo. So we're going to have start with a slanty angle like that, and then the top curve of the B is it's about sort of not quite 2/3 up. So the bottom curve then wants to be bigger than the top curve, and then the O's want to be leaning over. They're kind of not egg shapes, but they're kind of American football, rugby ball kind of shape. And then we're going to want a circle, little dot, and an exclamation mark, and then I think we'll have the underline about like that. Now when we ink this in, this is all going to be really kind of scratchy, so you just want to do lots of scratchy kind of lines like that. And I think what we're trying to get is a kind of a feel, I suppose, of a witch's broomsticky kind of Halloweeny, kind of like it's been made out of twigs that are being twisted and bundled together, and that's kind of the look we want. So you need to kind of make this quite flicky. I think if you draw it too slowly and carefully, you're not going to get those kind of flicky kind of looks. And that one went a bit astray, but never mind. And I'm going to just kind of go around the outside first like this, just to kind of get the O's in there, and then I think I'm going to kind of do most of the flicking on the insides to get the thickness like that, get that thickness there, and then we want to come around the top as well and the bottom, top and the bottom like that. And then let's do this as a kind of a little thing. And again, this wants to be quite sort of flicky coming out there. And then you might want to erase those pencil lines, but do make sure that the ink is dry first. And please don't press too hard in the first place, because that makes it really difficult too. Okay, and now I think we can just kind of keep sort of adding more, just to get that sort of make the black more dense, but at the same time we want to keep that kind of witch's broomsticky kind of sticky, hairy kind of. It's not hairy, it's like it's made of sticks, isn't it? That's kind of what we want. And this can maybe come a little bit thicker there, and then we can maybe look like that, a bit more spidery. I'm going to do a flick like that, and a flick like that, and a flick like that. So I think we want this to be like a zooming kind of line, just kind of whooshing back like that, like a firework, and that's zooming, zooming, zooming. And then the finishing touch, draw a circle in the middle, another circle in the middle, and they want to be about the, well, they don't want to be exactly the same size really. Then draw a little circle in the corner like that and shade that in like that, and there you go. To write boo. Now you could do all sorts of extra things, like sort of worried eyebrows and things like that, just to give a bit more kind of motion to the whole thing, and some extra kind of whooshes that way and movement. So, but then that's kind of taking it all a bit too far probably. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more videos every week. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.